Today, we went out to share the gospel. At habang ginagawa namin to, I was reminded of something simple. Minsan, we overthink too much. What if i-reject nila? What if mali yung masabi ko? What if hindi sila makinig? But I'm learning, hindi naman natin role i-control yung response ng tao. Our role is to obey, to show up, to speak, to love, and to share. At si God, siya yung bahala mag-transform ng mga puso nila. Hindi natin kailangan maging perfect. Hindi natin kailangan may perfect words. Kailangan lang natin maging willing. Because someone out there might be waiting for that one moment, that one conversation, that one prayer. So if God is placing something in your heart, don't hold back. Don't let fear stop you from doing what God is asking you to do. Continue to share His Word. Kahit simple lang, kahit one person lang, kahit hindi mo nakikita agad yung result. Because obedience always matters. And God can use even the smallest step to change someone's life. God bless, soulmates.